Today is Monday, October 9th, 2023. This is a 5-minute chart of S&P 500 futures. Today, in the open, I saw a big gap down and I was looking to go long if I saw two consecutive bull candles, which we got. The first 5 minute was a bull candle, the second 5 minute was a bull candle. Prior to these two candles, I asked myself if a daily level was tested, and I noticed during overnight, the low of today's candle, it tested the high of this candle. And this is a bear candle. So this is the daily chart of ES. I noticed that it tested the high of this candle. And I also noticed that it tested 50% of this order block. If we go from the open of that candle to the close of this candle, I noticed that 50% of just the bodies of these candles was tested. So I was looking to go long. And when I got my two consecutive bull candles, I call this my gap down by the close open. I went long one tick above the high of the second candle. I got filled. It popped. I was looking to take profit. It missed my profit target by about 2 points or so. I was looking to take profit at the 20 exponential moving average. At the time, actually, it didn't quite touch the 20 exponential moving average. And then it came back down. And then I got out for a break even on the trade because this candle didn't scare me too much when I was long, because I had my stop at the low of the day, so I needed to see two consecutive closes before the low of the day, below the low of the day, to close out the long. But here I got out because two consecutive bear candles, and it could easily go a lot lower, and especially considering what's going on right now in Israel and the attack by the whole geopolitical thing that is currently going on. It could easily sell off, although according to the S&P 500 seasonality, it's supposed to go higher since we made a big bull candle on Friday. So I closed out the trade for a break even, and then I went long on NQ. So on NQ, I went long. The same thing on NQ. I saw that it tested today's candle, the low. This is NQ right here. So on NQ, I saw the low of the day. It tested the high of this candle, and it also tested this big bear candle. And I went long on NQ because I saw a divergence, in addition to the fact that I was bullish on the day. So NQ, it put in in relation to this low, it put in a higher low, where ES put in a lower low. So ES put in this lower low from here to right here, and NQ put in that higher low. I guess it was actually you get the point. Actually, I went long on bar 18. Yeah, so ES put in a lower low, NQ put in a higher low, and I went long with my stop at the low of the day. And once I went long, this candle was a bit concerning to me, but on the 1 minute, I got my confirmation that we were gonna go higher. So if we look at this candle right here at 9:35 a.m. New York time. So if we put a box, so this is the last bull candle before a lower low. So this candle has been support once, twice, and the one thing that I look for is that I don't want a body to close below the low of this candle. And when I went long and I saw that it was being pushed down, but when I saw this candle and this candle did not close below the low of this candle, I knew that the odds were higher that my long premise was going to pan out. And the plan was to take profit at the high of the day. So this is where I went long. I went long on candle 18, and I didn't like the fact that it kept struggling right here. This tan box is the current new week opening gap, and the low of the gap was acting as resistance. So I closed out the position, and after I got out, it rocketed higher. But from where I got in, I think I caught about 40 points or so. Well, 37 points, and I like to get about 50 points on NQ, but hey, it is what it is. I was happy with this trade and I closed it out. After that, I didn't take any more trades, so I had a break even on ES, and then I had a winning trade on NQ, and I was done for the day. And I like the fact that it's rallying higher, it's going higher and higher. I am long in my long-term accounts, including my retirement Roth account. I am long, and I'm going to stay long. I am long biased, so I am expecting the market, at least for ES, I'm expecting it to get to about right here, and NQ, I'm expecting it to at least get to, to these heights right here. So this concludes my 2 trades for the day. I will see you guys on the next trading review. Peace.